Hi all, welcome to Acharya Coding School. In this class, we can discuss about the DATEM, Linux Process Management. So before going to that, what is process? So a process is a program in execution. So when you think like every running command or else like a program is a process in a Linux. So each process has process ID. The process ID is a unique number. So for each process ID, there is a different number we are using. And we have like a parent processing ID and user or owner ID who has started it. So there are like different types of process we have. So we have like a foreground process. So it's mainly runs which we have attached to the terminal and it blocks the terminal until it finishes. So if we give sleep 10, the terminal waits for 10 seconds. It's a foreground process. After 10 seconds, it will execute. And we have like a background process. So it runs independently of the terminal. So the terminal can continue with working. So if we give sleep 10, if you give, you can observe the terminal can continue working without getting sleep. So here, when in the foreground process, it waits for 10 seconds to execute. But here, without any dependencies, without any independent of terminal, so we have we given like sleep 10, but independent, irrespective of it get executed. And we have like a daemon. So it's mainly system background service. So it mainly runs in the background without the terminal. So we have like using services like SSHD, cron. So we have like a different types of processors. So we have like a process states, which we are mainly using for the process states means running means currently executing. Sleeping means waiting for the event. So we have if we given like sleep 10 minutes. So it's waited for some time. How many time we have, how much time we have given. So it's waited. And we have like a stopper. So it's mainly paused by using the signal. For example, if we see outskirts, by using the stopping symbol, it will get stopped. And we have like a zombie. So it's completed but not removed from the process table. And we have like a monitoring processes. So for using monitoring purpose, we are using some commands like PS. So using the PS command, we are able to get to know the snapshot of our processes. So it's all shows our process with all the details. So for example, if we give PX AUX, for example, if we see here, it will show the process ID. It will show the process ID and as well as user details. So who is the user, root user, and CPU, memory, state, everything we can able to know by using the PS command. For example, if you see here EC2 user, so there it's a then you can what is the process ID for this. So then you can able to observe everything. And we have a command called top command. So it's a real-time view of our processes. So it shows the CPU memory usage. So if you give the top command, so then we can able to see the process ID user and CPU memory and the time commands. So we can able to get to know the everything. It getting executed, right? We can using the top command we can able to view the real time processes. For quitting those from this command, you need to provide Q symbol. For quitting from the this command, so it mainly shows the CPU and memory usage of our process. And we have like a managing process. So there itself we have like a jobs, FG, BG, kill, PKill. So we can discuss each and every one. So we have like a jobs. So it's mainly we are using for the listing background jobs. So it shows the our background process started in this session. For example, if we give sleep 20 and jobs. So if you observe how many are running in our system. So the background process also we can able to see. And there is a FG. So it mainly brings the job to the foreground. If we give FG percentage 1. So it brings background jobs to our foreground. So we have like a BG. It will resume job in the background. So using the BG percentage 1. So what will here it is going, it's a resumes and stop in the background. So there is no such type of jobs. So that's why we are not getting any. So already job is terminated. So that's why we don't have any jobs. And we have like a kill. So the kill command which we are using for the killing the process ID without getting executed. So we have like a force kill as well as. So if you want to kill one process ID. Operation and not one. So the using the kill, we are able to send a signal to terminate process. So we are using to force kill. And we have like a P kill. It kills the process by the name. So using the kill, we are stopping our process by the process ID. But using the P kill, we are killing the process by the name. We can give P kill Firefox example. So it will automatically kills the Firefox. So it will killing by based upon the our name. So they here no PID is needed. Till now we have learned about the Linux process management, how we are going to manage in the real time.